Oh, and a Kwabena. And so our Joseph Togo. The national motivator.
Champion Richardo.
Say be fine there.
Nyamia do me we pa.
E de nyamia say.
On neta.
Je Kwabena ta.
On neta Kwabena kwaba. Man you lose so much now. Ye you tin kwaba. And on we no say ablante we pese me hu no ablante we. I say oh no problem. And I say ayala when I only problem e bo mu na. Enti ni pe go ase on pese mu come na Owusu. Ma papa bia and every corner me jima.
Kwabena dey stories.
Yes, enti.
You can say you can yin.
We me jama wo. Na ka mo oni ayala. Ma push the question mama. Mo push no.
Kwabena.
Champion.
Good morning.
Morning.
Now to say.
Nyamia do bia wo.
E de nyamia say. Welcome home so. Now by holidays need to say.
You go so say normal way na. Enye bibi gidi normal way.
Sa now by on your full be ni.
Oh, long time.
Di bia fine.
Long time.
Abobo ye fiche ni bi there.
My boba could be. My boba could be. This time we buy as a Nhyira and Jones.
Sa ade. Send here what bobo bia before we do buy. Tell na say they were Nhyira dan you bi.
Say me take cook.
I say for your name, Kwabena Owusu, and na Edin Komo, and now no pay we special guest. Na Kwabena, ye kase Kwabena Owusu a. Chen kakra, chen wanse kakra. O ye hwan ya o start free he. Se sia wo he. I mean, bibi kakra ba you say ne be a. Obi a on obi kra na wo hu but on se dan ka hwan ya de minim na hwan ye ka Kwabena Owusu a. Hwan ya o start o can see any free he ansa na o di copy me o hungry.
Oh, okay. Me da say one man bisa kunya we nyame hira o hira kese. Ana me chia wadofo ne
wetifo na
ene obi a wo hwe program we bia.
Okay.
Ntia nkomo we bia na. O ka say Kwabena Owusu obi a like o hyase edoso ba de betima kan na mechanism ya. O hyase o nkoko ekuase. Nam papa ni chi life FM for car. Yeah. So when I'm sure na me mama do busy wo Accra. So I say holidays be in a bar Accra. So me bar Accra no because who team be ben if you know pokwase wonum side. Ti am so lan makoje jan sana. Me no ma bobo na nti one day be no mo ko register no mo register me. E ka team no. Nti fiti on I think that my holidays in this and I'm saying call back. It's no more tournament be agency tournament be. And I coach Emma be papa be farming a background. So I me they call regionals we call under 17 and then I may call me to go Spain, yeah.
Okay, from Hona now the coast Spain.
From that I've been here from Hona me call Manchester or Achimota. Friend nipa na team ne and friend Mama. But na coach in friend Kulugu.
Oh, okay. Na no division say.
No division a course.
Oh, okay, course yeah.
Na 12. Na me about 12 14.
Okay.
Sometimes my betna under 17 my betna bench. Satan na me defend it. Satan na me striker.
Okay.
And move on man interregionals in na me defend it. Na me
striker. No, no striker cry.
Now go say few board here boy bitimi ko gina ni mo yes. Enti e dia no me defend me opele.
I see.
Me fabo me twetwe san enti me back cry no na be defender. Me back cry na be defender. From there no and a coach Achimota only me ekologo tie o ma na o de mabo e bia first half me board echira second half my ball strike enti you call regionals 2000 I think say 10 no 2006 you born Okuforia school name 2006 and sporting club Kwashiman Sporting Club Academy Fifi. Obe hu me. Ti obe hu me na oni me din ko na say say so pemi dia so ko hu Manchester and from there until e be year right to dream second team.
Okay.
Yeah na right to dream second team. So obe ball right to dream at this over 8 team and sana oni be train and sana ko right to dream. From there honum no na me kwa na 17 your boy agency game bia na me de copy Spain.
Okay.
Ghana Premier League.
Mambo Ghana Premier League.
I know.
Me bo second division. Team na me boy.
Second division.
Yeah, second division.
If you want
division, any promoted by
second.
Yes.
From 1 hour to Spain.
Now
No one boy league. No any one.
Satam Rubinya mo na boy. Obe na show. Satam na Ghana League. Yeah, can Ghana League like Genfa gone to just.
Oh yeah.
More. Nti ehono no o ya kwala bia se obetima bo ade se bia.
Omia.
Yes. Ana ye nimu. Ana sometimes ye nim yesa. So that nti enye easy so obebo. Ti say na easy say we akola na we show bibi kakra na obebo.
I see. From Ghana to Spain no. Net saying.
Ensemble because we free akra kono kra na enye easy.
One do go.
Okay. Team na de me boy koya na say
no like then I'll call Spain no.
Agency game.
Okay.
You born ho Kaswa Unistars. Sa Academy Unistars. Yeah, you born ho Sa Park so from there no many Amando and Ansa Ubenim no Ansa Butwe. Oh no. Sa squad and your boy on fire near Coast Spain. Ti Coast Spain e ko ball trials e ka de kran ka me be fiba.
Oh.
Because coach team am ko no third division team am ko no na ye third division Evans Trasela Trasela Evans second division team ni B no e hona mo de ko e ba ye mo de ko no coach no ba no almost season coach different coach ba no so mpemi
o ma mbobo ni bi
enye so ma memo see mensan ye trust the coach no no pemi ana mo
ono so na new one aba ono so ohia me tinese wo pe ba bi
on show me training kra
oh
so ohia me nti as agent no dem ko ni bu befu ye
wow
ni bu befu ye sade na ye training em ko one training pe na coach ni share so pemi ti ba ne sa no team na me ko ye no a mo so mo pemi na papa na ye da ni fie no so papa na ko say asan agent bi o fie the players ba no rent fie na mom ti ne ba no eye adwuma wo team na o so mo pemi no nti ne ba no ko susu mu kire no nti ade be chia ma bagana ade be chia ma bagana nti me ti gate abonti wono na papa ne bai no be bisa ma sen o be bisa na me say ni say situation am the man me the man no say ma me worry me kita me resident card na am say me kita resident card no say okay then ma me worry obi afri ma me feel papa ne ba say obeje resident card na agent no de me koya nga say oba ma me feel because no wa forget me
okay
e ba ne say no o say me go back to Ghana atwam plane ticket atwa bibia a de be chia ma mako ti ade chia na papa no frame agent ne frame fee no ana papa ne say okay oni oye ye course bi nti na nwumre mu no obe frame na ye din ko nti e be say nwumre mu ono kan say o team bi wo ye down baby South Madrid I say baby am no 10 minutes drive to Madrid no na baby a team is one say 10 minutes drive to that team Torredo
okay
so the choir no no see a Trasela like Evans be a fifth division the first training we na omo team no omo third division team no that be omo second division team coach no at the park no so hwe nkola ye training we no frɛ nipa no de me buy
okay
no guy say one of them nam say oh we na papa we na dem nam say no say okay o china no pa me form first team ni me training the year training and upon a year training we are on the 5-month contract too many
wow no settle Spain did mo na the call
and your ball 5 ever say 3 months no and then Leganes ever like I nearly signed Madrid being
okay
now me sign Madrid now me to say Benicio Juniors contract yeah. The same thing we sign now only first team training now we second league
yeah that no uncle
director no sporting director no me call Madrid omo invite him me call because on be sign wa on ba we some go share facilities in this animal na wo nyina so me bibia wie kra na omo say sporting director call Porto sporting director no one Porto.
Oh, okay.
And he say Gucci will say we say by sporting director. And also yes.
Then say ope baby.
Yes. The honor Numwana Leganes best sign.
I see. But I'm say time it yen titini emra Black Stars kaka. Because I mean say obo first game at the Black Stars against South Africa in 15 June 2019. Goal unim sena na ze Black Stars ya dey na koso.
Minimo. Ade ze obuso. Eh some na mumeti me obuso. Ade ze obuso mo from Mozambique.
Against South Africa you played so well.
And yes, South Africa we Cameroon first match Black Stars Cameroon.
Because me after 2019 now a part of the squad.
Yeah. And no first match in Cameroon and a second match in Guinea. Guinea BB.
Okay.
Yeah, show mu 2 and qualify for round 16.
If you yen be
mo na mbeti ma.
But we say yeah bit me busa. Do you also think say o kind form ba o born who deserve is also back to the Blaster?
Once sometimes no enye yen na ese enka once ye adwuma no eno na ese enkasa ma ba sometimes no say woni me penny for dada so what I say sometimes no
and because of baby I won Tiana.
Oh David
because minimum second you take
you third division player bi amana be enye baby a wo bobo a be fro so what I say but me I don't know me name the reason tia they don't call me tie bia say
no what busa mpeni for so e bia one or two calls be say
because they are okay
because you are playing well
when you have some relationship with him pay so
what friend penny for me buy me there what is going on I'm on friend him
to be honest like let me be honest with you me ne get share several times
okay
me ne share say okay they will call you they will speak to the
coach
he will speak to the coach
okay.
And then they will call me and open
don't TBB Auto buy oni nya ibia da.
Me ne kwesi apia na woda.
Yeah.
Auto me ne auto share baby a. Nipa na me ne kasa George Boatin. Me off no.
Okay.
Me off papa. Ono na me ne e kasa throughout our moon framing on open na me ne.
And how?
Okay, let me be sincere like from 2019 ever to 2021. Yeah, na ha me. Na sometimes you want me person me kasakura like so what I say ba me try no ajon say life e bia me ba bia say me pass it through keke
okay
so what I say so me just anya man yan ma forget bia ba fit one no ba nyina no like I'm cool
aba Kwabena say so o shop Blasters na say yan qualify anko AFCON say o tietche na o hwe Blasters sisi say na siti na uhunu say a strong team.
Okay, I will not say a strong team, but what I was saying is your players are like you beat me the Omaji African Cup, but what I'm seeing from afar, no, the unity and the field of play,
teamwork
is not really there. So what I say, I'm being sincere. Like,
okay.
Yeah, we share from afar. This is what I see.
And about attribute to say because. I say yen shadan ya consistent team bia we make say o de bia no say the team no is built around because what Otuba no I say de bia ye change the squad name de bia there are new guys no ma new for no ma from mu o giri say no ntina ma who sa cohesion na person who
I don't think say enye no for me I would say enye no because every coach be say who say okay if for example if Thomas Partey is not there this player can fit in entina or so into person who the era obia Kudus is not there okay player
so Kudus no we bet
yeah that's the me reason who say obia okay or ye way because of that on person bia yen for your NC player wa Kudus na say player we am ba
yeah
watch there
I see
so the oil there me to me no be okay with that say or free players be no mom but the young so mom chance no more so free player so man chance no more na and you say obe free na na better bench
I have called the team and Kobe but work up the nice year from Nancy performance ye be next qualifiers in September who say work up in the betting
Because I'm about 2 games. Nancy, about 2 games. Yeah, I think the first game, the first half, now in Huni, but second half, like we step in. In Nigeria, no. Second half, like we step. The shape we did well in the second half, but the first half, now teamwork, and shit anymore. By second half, teamwork, the passes behind the defenders and the strikers are running, the midfielders are doing their job, and that's it. Like Sanam who about the second match near boy, you almost share four, no.
Yeah.
My Nyabian
Against Trinidad.
and it was up to now me share him in who.
Okay.
So I know there.
But time ninti you say obesa aba foforo so na ye de nkomo no e de ato say what Turkey the Turkish league net say
My loan, my boy.
I mean say loan, yeah, and you go back to parent a club no. And you say share to say
You go so say take it there. Me one I feel at home. They be American and a team. Make say me call no. My dream bibia okay, I'm TV bobo like express me feel okay, yes. But apart from that, I think say baby I'm my boy, like when I'm feeling more, meaning the old diaba. When I'm feeling say me name my movie.
After permanent.
Yeah, you go so and you go so ba and Kumubia need no bedroom. Because you go so pipeline.
na me titi western be
And the 1 hour. 1 hour. Dear master, 1 hour.
hey mate western be say Kwabena Owusu go western
1 hour. 1 hour. I mean TV crowd.
Until now.
1 hour.
Kwabena no.
Buy fine.
Oh yeah.
Buy me bo.
Ali minim say western bar Black Stars proper no be say abiem. Ebia honde ye be hu na. Yeah, Samu baby.
Baby, I'm way. Say me bo. Na say me unim say me bo Brasta. Me bo Brasta na me wo third division.
Yeah.
Yes, Salamanca na me de bo.
Yeah, the ball.
Me de bo Brasta.
Yeah.
So that say nti enye baby am wo.
Okay.
And so I'm doing well. Like last 2 seasons, like Europa League, 4 goals with 2 assists.
Sure.
Like
sure. That's fine.
And this season, like first division, me call half season. Half season, my about 15 matches. It's 14 matches, 9 goals, 2 assists. Come on.
That's fine.
Then be.
The other so DJ
Because the workers are share like
oh yeah.
But me Bob Blaster when now me was third division.
That's a ultimate boy there. I didn't say
boy. They now say
me and I want to be more.
Enti so enti na me say mo nya bibi.
Ati. You so West Ham deal no dey e din komo no e chro na.
Problem pa na be don for money.
Ade we encha kitwa bi na ye beto adwede ni so emfa emamo.
Be ma wo dwonso ni mu pai ebikam eyawo eni moja edi akira ana wo tempampan e wo dwonso n'achi ensansa gu be ma no ho adura ebeboa wo eni amuzupi oba wo ba mu no wo tempampan bone ewom ensuo bi fifiri mu ba etoda emu ekeka wo adura ebeboa wo eni amuzupi ubenya bi e wo pharmacy ni herbal shops nyinam.
The other day, I visited Kweku at his spunky new office to congratulate him on opening his business. And man, was I impressed. The business is just moving quick. The sales, customers, everything is just working seamlessly. The secret? He said.
yen special guest Kwabena Owusu say din common bebree but obi the reason be about me nya sure say be no and e be nipa na adwene ntina ema no edi akasa say delay ko bisa na ba bonuses be ma
Nenye delay show. No, I think it was TV3 ana.
Oh, okay.
With Sewa.
Okay, Sewa.
Yeah, it was Sewa.
Okay. All right, Miss Summer, and then Yami Aduma, Obra Jumedie no Ebaso.